Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Becky, and today I'm going to share how you can join me for a weekend of sewing fun in my virtual quilting retreat. So I'm really excited to share with you that I am hosting a virtual quilt retreat, and this is happening May 4th, 5th, and 6th. So if you can set aside the little bit of time and the weekend for sewing with me, we are going to have a lot of fun. I thought I would share a few projects that we're going to be covering, as well as how this virtual retreat works. So first of all, you need to click the link below to make sure you reserve your spot. There are limited spots available and tickets do sell out. So again, the dates are May 4th, 5th, and 6th. This is a Thursday, a Friday, and a Saturday. On the Thursday evening, we have our little meet and greet get together. And just to let you know that since this is a virtual retreat, everything will be taking place in Zoom. So we have a private Zoom room for all of our retreaters. This is only available to them, and it only works during the retreat time, but it really allows us to get together kind of face to face with the video. We are able to share our projects, chat with everybody else, connect, build friendships, play games, and really have a lot of fun. We also have a Facebook group that is private for our retreaters as well. So during the time right before we begin, as well a little bit afterwards, and of course during, you are able to share your projects again, ask questions, connect with others, as well as play a few games that we have for our Facebook group. So, we do also provide a retreat kit for our retreaters, and this has been a lot of fun to put together. So inside your retreat kit, you are going to find a zipper bag pouch. Of course, our theme this time around is Stellar Quilter. And so we are just going to be reaching for the stars and exploring outside of our normal or comfortable quilting space. So a project bag is always needed for quilters, and we are excited to have one in our kits. So it does have a zipper top, keeping everything secure and all together. Inside your kit, you are going to find a hoop, as well as, let me find them here, some needles. These are sashiko needles, and so some sashiko thread. And I'm going to show off the project in just a minute. You also have your fabric that you'll need, as well as your pattern. So also included the kit is a sashiko template. And these are going to be used to make a few projects. Now, usually our retreats have a make and take, which we enjoy in the afternoon, and this retreat is no exception. So while we do encourage you to bring your own projects and sew what you want when you want, we also give you a little bit of a break and allow you to sew up some cute things. So we have our first Stellar Quilter. It's a quilt hoop, and so everything is provided for you, and it's super simple. No templates are needed for this pattern. So as you can see, I added some little sashiko stitching on the outside, but you can add anything you want in addition to this. So all the instructions are included as well. And then we have another project, which is a pin cushion. So all quilters need new pin cushions, of course. This one features sashiko stitching on the back side. So you're going to make kind of two different things here. We've got our pillow that's slipped inside of this where it holds it. As you can see, this stays closed all the time, but these flaps can open, so you are able to use this area to put your pins in. So your stitching pins can go there, and then you'll have a few buttons to make your closure. So these are the two projects that are included in the quilt retreat that all retreaters will get. So right now, tickets are on sale. I'm very excited. I hope you choose to join me as well as the other retreaters. Again, this is 100% virtual. No packing is needed, no gas money is needed, no hauling around your heavy sewing machines or anything. We meet where you are at. Previous retreaters have stayed in hotel rooms, or they have just joined us from their favorite spot in their quilting room or in their living room. So wherever you are comfortable, you are invited to join us. The dates again are May 4th, 5th, and 6th of 2023. Tickets are on sale right now, and if you're early enough, you can catch the early bird pricing. We are having a guest as well join us, and this is Andy from True Blue Quilts. She will be sharing her knowledge about monochromatic quilts, as well as sharing a stellar trunk show with our retreater. Click the link below. Make sure you sign up and reserve your spot so I can get this kit out to you and we can sew together on this virtual retreat in May.